Boom, welcome. Look at this beautiful set of duplexes, 5-bedroom duplexes, sitting pretty right here in this sweet mini estate in GRA Enugu. As you can see, the roads are tarred, the curbs are done, the estate is ready, right? Some people have taken some of them, and look at the environment outside the gate. Look at how this place is. This is GRA, right in old GRA Enugu. If you know this place, you know this is the cream de la cream location right here in Enugu. Welcome back to this channel. If you're new, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so you see this type of property videos from time to time. I am Jeff Anozie. If you're returning, you've been watching my videos, I totally appreciate you. We are here at this 5-bedroom duplex. You can see how it looks like. It's a beautiful duplex and built for luxury, built for comfort in the heart of town. Look at this place. This is like where you can plant your flowers. You know, that small space there, you can plant your flowers, and even in front and everywhere. Look at the doors, some quality doors right here. Now once you come in, you get to see this ante room, and to the right of this ante room is the visitor's toilet. All right, this is the visitor's toilet. It's yet to be fixed, but that's where the visitor's toilet is. Look at the doors. Next to the left is the parlor. This is the parlor, living area. A good number of windows, so to allow for ventilation. That's the dining down there, the POP, and this particular unit is yet to be complete, but we're just going to use it as a sample. So that's the dining too. This is the staircase. And now just after the staircase is kind of like a study. Particular room was built for a study, but of course you can decide to do what you like with it. Probably turn it to a store because the kitchen is just beside it, right? So this is the kitchen. Like I said, this unit is not really completed yet, but we're using this as an example. The kitchen, there's a back door that leads to the back, of course, and the door is solid. Now this is an area for you, and the beautiful thing about this GRA is pipe-borne water. You can see there is water for you 24/7. At the back there is the BQ. There are 2 rooms BQ down there, or the maid's house, or the boys quarters. The boys quarters also have toilet and bedroom down there. I'm sorry we couldn't go there today. So now let's go upstairs and take a look at the rooms upstairs so you can see what it looks like. This is GRA Enugu, and this is a beautifully built 5-bedroom duplex. You can see the upstairs, and the finishing of this place is solid. I mean, the painting is still ongoing for this particular unit, but in no distant time to be finished. Look at the doors, sweet doors. There's a room here. This is the first room, all en suite, 2 windows, the POP done. That is the toilet and bathroom down there. You know, you can see the toilet seats, the wash and basin, the shower, the heater. These things comes fitted with the house, right? So next room this is kind of like a mini parlor, like a mini living room upstairs, like the family living room that opens up to a balcony. Look at the glass work on this balcony, beautiful stuff, right? And the space of the balcony is enormous, right? Looking over your compound and over, you know, the entire estate and the golf course down there, you know. All right, so back inside, upstairs here, there are 4 rooms upstairs. Now this is the master bedroom with a walk-in closet. You can see the walk-in closet and the toilet and bedroom, spacious toilet and bedroom here, and you know the water is running. Like I said, everything is fitted properly. This is a 5-bedroom duplex sitting pretty in the heart of GRA Enugu. You want to call me now on 080967376668 to pick your own unit. A few of them have been sold and a few are remaining. This is the heart of GRA. This building is 90 million naira per unit. Each of these units are 90 million naira as at today, and like I said, a few of them are gone already with just a few remaining. Call me, let's bring you for inspection. This is the heart of GRA, so constant power, there's heavy security in this place, water, and of course you live amongst the creme de la creme in Enugu, one of the most reserved areas in Enugu. Go ahead and give me a call today. Let's bring you for an inspection. If you like this type of videos, please hit the like button. Remember to stay subscribed so that you can also see other videos that we're bringing your way right here in Enugu and in the Southeast generally. I'm Jeff Anozie, your favorite real estate consultant, and thank you for watching. Enjoy a fantastic day.